This next lesson is on factoring trinomials. And so with a trinomial, you're going to have three terms. And so we're going to start off with when a is equal to 1. So standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So basically, if you just have an x squared term, like this one, and this one, then a is 1. And sometimes the a value is going to be something other than 1. But for right now, we're just going to stick to a being 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what a times c is. So in this case, a times c is 1 times 20. So that would be 20. Well, you have to figure out what can you multiply to get 20 that adds together to give you 9 in the middle. And that would be 4 times 5. Because 4 times 5 is 20, but 4 plus 5 adds together to give you 9. So these are the two factors that we're going to use. So our factored form would be x with a positive 4 and x with a positive 5. So those are the two factors. For the second example, a times c would be negative 18 because 1 times negative 18 is negative 18. Well, what can we multiply to get negative 18 that will add together to give you the negative 7 in the middle? And it would be a 9 and a 2, but in order to get negative 7, the 9 would have to be negative. So those would be our two factors. So we would have an x with a minus 9 and an x with a positive 2. So those are our two factors. The last one, the a times c, would be 1 times 12, which is 12. And what can you multiply to get 12 that adds together to give you 8 in the middle? And it would be a 2 and a 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8, but 2 times 6 is 12. So our factors would be x plus 2 and x plus 6. Now, sometimes you can't get factors, and if that happens where nothing will multiply to give you the AC term and add together to give you the B term, then you would say that it was prime.